Hello, I'm back. It's been a long time though, but today I just wanted to do a soft winter glam bright look instead of using the dark winter colors. So I hope you stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now please. So I've already done my brows and I set my concealer on my eyelids as a base. I'm going in first with my 3rd edition BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm using this color pink with a fluffy brush. I'm just going to sweep that over my transition area. Next, I'm going in with my Galaxy Chic palette, and I'm going to be using the color Venus. I'm using a flat, fluffy brush, and I'm just patting that over my lower lid. I had to end up using 2 brushes because the color payoff wasn't what I expected. There was a lot of fallout. I'm just patting and patting over my entire lower lid. Now I'm going back in with my fluffy brush just to blend it in some. Don't be afraid to use a makeup wipe to wipe off any excess. Next, I'm using my Shany eyeliner in the color 11. I'm just making a thin and pointy line. I wanted to make it a little thick, so I'm going over it several times. Now I'm going to use that same color liner on my waterline. Now I'm going in with these $1 lashes that I got from Shop Miss A called Isabella. And I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced to blend them in. I'm going back into my Galaxy Chic palette and using the color Venus, the same color, just to go under my waterline and smoke it out a little bit. I hope you liked it. This is the finished look. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to subscribe for some more makeup, hair, and fashion looks.